The art of putting. Mastering the green. Achieve some perfection yourself so that you may not fall into sorrow seeing the perfection in others. Rumi. In the world of golf, putting is often referred to as the game within the game. It is the skill that can make or break a round, turning a potential victory into a frustrating defeat. Despite being a seemingly simple act of rolling a ball into a hole, putting requires finesse, focus, and a deep understanding of the green. Let's try to find out the art of putting and exploring the key elements that can help us master this crucial aspect of the game. 1. Reading the green. Putting is not just about hitting the ball toward the hole. It starts with reading the green. The topography, grain, and moisture of the putting surface all play a role in the ball's behavior. Professionals carefully analyze the slope, break, and speed of the green before making their strokes. This process requires keen observation and experience, allowing us to make informed decisions that can lead to successful putts. 2. Developing a putting routine. Consistency is vital in putting, and a well-defined putting routine can help achieve that. Many professional golfers have specific pre-putt routines that they follow religiously. This routine can include visualizing the putt, aligning the putter, and taking practice strokes to get a feel for the distance and speed. A consistent routine helps eliminate unnecessary variables and build confidence in every putt. 3. Controlling distance. Distance control is perhaps the most crucial aspect of putting. Hitting the ball too hard or too soft can differentiate between a tap-in and a 3-putt. To improve distance control, we can practice lagging putting, which involves hitting longer putts intending to get them close to the hole rather than focusing on sinking them. This exercise helps develop a better feel for the green's speed and allows us to leave ourselves with manageable second putts. 4. Face angle and path. The alignment and path of the putter head significantly influence the ball's direction. We must ensure our putter face is square to the target line at impact to prevent the ball from veering off course. Additionally, the putting stroke should follow a consistent path, keeping the putter on the intended line from start to finish. 5. Dealing with pressure. Putting under pressure can be daunting, even for seasoned golfers. Staying composed and focused in high-pressure situations is a hallmark of great putters. Visualization and mental imagery are powerful tools that can help us manage pressure. By picturing successful putts before stepping up to the ball, we can instill confidence and create a positive outcome. 6. Practicing with purpose. Effective putting practice goes beyond mindlessly hitting balls on the practice green. To make progress, we should set specific goals and challenges during our practice sessions. Incorporating various drills, such as distance control exercises or putting with visual aids, can help target weaknesses and build all-around putting skills. There is no similarity between golf and putting. They are two different games, one played in the air, and the other on the ground. Ben Hogan. Putting is an art that requires a delicate balance of technique, mental fortitude, and adaptability to the ever-changing conditions on the green. Whether one is a beginner or an experienced golfer, dedicating time and effort to improve one's putting skills can lead to significant improvements in the overall game. By understanding the nuances of the green, developing a consistent routine, honing distance control, and embracing the mental aspects of putting, we can become more confident and booming putters on the golf course. I am in no way a great putter. By writing this blog, I am trying to learn more about it. Happy putting! **